and a cappuccino.
Miss.
Yeah, could I have my hot dog and a cappuccino, like
think
now?
I don't think we have any hot dogs.
Please, okay, I'd like a hot dog and a cappuccino.
We don't have any hot dogs.
Ooh, a scatter.
No, please, miss.
Okay, if you
Miss,
don't have them, okay, fine then. Ooh, glasses. I'd like a hot dog and a can of relish.
I'm sorry, we don't have any hot dogs. We ran out.
Really?
Oh, okay, please give me.
Oh, that's a shame.
No, okay.
Oh well, how about you just give me a hot dog and a latte?
Well, I'm sorry, miss. We don't have any hot dogs. I forgot.
Oh,
I
you
forgot
don't, pooper doodles. Oh well, how about you just give me a hot dog and a can of relish?
Miss, I'm sorry. We don't have any hot dogs.
Hey, get out!
Give me my hot dogs!
Oh my God! Oh my!
No!
Get out of my restaurant!
Oh
Get
my
out!
God.
Get out!
I'm going. Haha!
What the? Put that down. What is that?
It's sacred fire. It's gonna kill you.
It's doing nothing to me.
It makes a scary noise.
Stop that! Get out! Get out! I'll shoot you! I'll shoot you!
Don't click on those. They're really important.
Shut up, girl! You're fired anyways. Stop it!
Ah, now I've got the gun. No.
Hey, look, a helmet.
He's dead.
Yeah.
Now give me all your hot dogs.
Do you have any hot dogs?
Hey.
Ninja Gunstar.